Good morning, everybody. So, today we are going to start chapter number 10, which is AP. AP means arithmetic progression. It is a kind of series like this in which the difference between two consecutive numbers is same, like 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Otherwise, if we write any series 1 2 5 4 6 9 11, it is a sequence. Sequence means the numbers written in the form of commas in a pattern, but a specific pattern like this or any other in which there is proper difference between two numbers, that is considered as AP, arithmetic progression. So first term of series is denoted by A or A1. Okay, this is called first term, and the difference which is common, that is called D, which is common difference, that is second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. By any of the successor we subtract the predecessor, then we get common difference. Or if we want to check that the given series in AP or not, we have to find all the differences like D1 4 minus 2, D2 6 minus 4, D3 8 minus 6. If they comes out to be same, then we say that series is in AP. So first term is A, common difference is D. Now suppose this series is going on, or they said find its, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on, or they said find 50th term, कि जो इसके 50 नंबर पे टर्म है वो कौन सा नंबर है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग ऑल दी नंबर्स अप टू 50, what we can do, we can apply simple formula for nth term, which is an, nth term, or we can say last term. It can be noted as an or tn or l by any number. So formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, we need to find 50th term. A we have, which is 2, n is 50, common difference 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 2 plus 50 minus 1 49, 49 2s are 98 plus 2, that is 100. So 50th term is 100. This is how you can find, or you can apply directly. If they said find 20th term, A plus 20 minus 1, which is 19d. They said 30th term, A plus 29d. They said 90th or 80th term, A plus 79d. Okay, keep this thing in mind. This is basic formula for nth term to find anything. Okay, in your exercise 10a part 1, they said which of the following are in AP. So what we'll do, first part's first question, we can find their common difference. Okay, first is D1, this 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then D2 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then D3 14 minus 10, then 4. Then D1 is equals to D2, same. Therefore given series in AP. This is how you are to find. Second question, sequence is given, an is given 2n minus 3. They said 15th term find करो, means n की वैल्यू कितनी फिल करनी है 15. 2 into 15 minus 3, 30 minus 3, that is 27. Same as third question, 30th term is given, AP is given with 2p plus 3 और they said find AP. अच्छा, जब भी बोलें find AP means you need to find 4 terms, first 4 terms. So पहले p की वैल्यू 1, जिधर p है वहाँ पे, then 2, p की जगह पे 2, then 3 are enough, 5, 7, 9 and so on in AP. This is how you have to find any term. Okay, next questions are same. 24th term find करनी है, 30th term find करनी है, 100th term find करनी है. 6th में आपको करवा देता हूँ. 4th 5th you have to do by yourself. You see question number 6. This is term under root 3, means first term is under root 3. Common difference 2 under root 3 minus under root 3. Now how can we see this is 2 under root 3, this is 1 under root 3. If not given, then you have to write 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so we are left with only under root 3. Or they said find 100th term, a 100 which is a plus 99d. A is under root 3, 99, d is under root 3. So under root 3 plus 99 under root 3, if we add, then we get 100 under root 3. This is how you have to find. Okay, 7th you have to do by yourself. Question number 8 is there. They said is 402 is a term of sequence 8, 13, 18 and 23. मीन्स इसके कहने का मतलब ये जो सीक्वेंस है, आगे कहीं पे जाके चेक करना है कि 402 होगा इसमें कि नहीं होगा. मीन्स इसका कोई ना कोई नंबर ज़रूर होगा. अगर ये इसी टर्म का पार्ट है तो हमने n फाइंड करना है इसको, पी n कितना नंबर है इसका. इफ़ इट इज़ प्रॉपर 5 आता है, 6 आता है, 10 आता है, नेचुरल नंबर आता है, तो हम कहेंगे येस दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द सीरीज़. अगर n की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में आती है या डेसिमल में आती है, देन वी से इट इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ सीरीज़. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज़ गिवन विच इज़ 8. कॉमन डिफरेंस 13 minus 8, that is 5. And this term is last because इसके आगे है नहीं पता हमें. So this is considered as nth term which is 402. Okay, so a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 8, d is 5. ओके, सो बच्चे क्या करते हैं, 5 इधर नहीं, पहले 8 को लेके जाना माइनस में. 402 माइनस 8, 394 n माइनस 1 इन फ्रैक्शन. कटिंग नहीं हो रही, विच मीन्स फ्रैक्शन में ही आएगा आंसर. देयरफॉर वी कैन क्लियरली से 402 इज़ नॉट द टर्म ऑफ सीक्वेंस. क्योंकि अगर ये कटिंग हो जाती है, 1 उधर जाके प्लस हो जाएगा, देन वी गेट n एज अ प्रॉपर नंबर, अदरवाइज वी विल नॉट गेट. सो इट इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट. ठीक है, सो इसके जैसा 9th बहुत इजी है. 10th क्वेश्चन में भी वही है, हाउ मेनी टर्म्स मीन्स n फाइंड करना है. ये फर्स्ट टर्म है, डिफरेंस करोगे d आएगा, एंड दिस इज़ लास्ट टर्म मीन्स an. फ्रॉम देयर यू गेट n लाइक वी हैव डन इन 8th क्वेश्चन. ओके, 11th भी सेम है. देन यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस टुडे. 8, 9, 10 तो इधर ही हो गए हैं. 10 आर लेफ्ट. You try to find if you find any kind of difficulty, then you can ask time and again. Okay, thank you.